Hi everyone, I'm teacher Benny Benny. Welcome to this channel where you learn English and Luganda easily. And if you find this channel of great benefit to you, please feel free to send your support and love on the account numbers displayed on screen and mobile numbers, both Airtel and MTN. The numbers are displayed on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Please do share my videos such that many people can benefit. Many people have benefited and they've sent their regards on my numbers as you see in the comments. So, like, share the videos. Wosanganga video eno ya makulu era ngekugasa, please likinga oba osobola okuweereza obuyambi bwo ne support on the account numbers eziragibwa ku screen. Okay, bye-bye. Enjoy the video. Hello everyone and welcome. And in today's video, we're going to look at a conversation using why. We're going to have a conversation using why. And remember we said in the previous video, if you didn't watch it, please do. Because why is lwaki in Luganda. Lwaki. Okay, so today we're going to be practicing. Okay, let's start. Conversation using why. A conversation using why. Okay. So, Peter, why didn't you buy the cup? Peter, why didn't you buy the cup? It's a question. That's why we are using the question mark at the end. In Luganda, this is going to be, Peter, lwaki gwe tewaguze ekikopo? Peter, lwaki gwe tewaguze ekikopo? So cup in Luganda is ekikopo. So Peter, lwaki gwe tewaguze ekikopo? And Peter replies, I didn't have money. I didn't have money. In Luganda, this is Inze nabadde sirina sente. Inze nabadde sirina sente. Okay. And they asked him, are you sure? Are you sure? Gwe okakasa. Gwe okakasa. I used all the money for buying food. I used all the money for buying food. He replies, I used all the money for buying food. Inze nakozesezza sente zonna okugula emmere. Inze nakozesezza, so using is nakozesezza sente zonna, all is zonna, okugula emmere. And if you want to know more about kinds of food in Luganda, refer to the video above. Food is emmere. But I sent you on mobile wallet. But I sent you on mobile wallet. Naye nakusindikidde ku simu. So mobile wallet is ku simu. Inze, but is naye. So naye nakusindikidde. I sent you. Naye nakusindikidde ku simu. Oh, I didn't check the message. Oh, I didn't check the message. In Luganda, this is going to be, oh, inze sakebedde bubaka. So message is bubaka. Inze, like I, inze. So, oh, you are like wondering, oh, inze sakebedde bubaka. Inze sakebedde bubaka. So implying that Peter didn't check the phone. Okay, hope you've got something. And if you want to know more about why, refer to the video above, as I've said. Bye-bye. Let's meet up in the next video. Subscribe, like, and you can give me a thumbs up icon if you do like my videos. Let's link up in the next video. Wherever.